Hello, in front of me I've got Genesis Thor 303 TKL. In this video I'll show you how to manage keyboard shortcuts. Firstly, we've got the shortcuts on the F1 to F12 buttons. To use them, press F1 button and press the buttons F1 for File Manager, F2 for Windows Searcher, F3 from Calculator, F4 for Media Player, F5, F6, F7 are controls for Media Player, F8 is a widget for the Media Player, F9, F10, F11 are buttons to change volume, and F12 is blockade. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.